Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to learn about inventory burn rate. We will see the definition of inventory burn rate, and I will share with you the methods that how we can calculate inventory burn rate. At the end, I will share with you an example, a real life example, so you will understand inventory burn rate easily. So let's start. Inventory burn rate is defined as company's own supplies consumption at a certain time period. Like every company is using stationery for his personal use. So in inventory, when we are using the stationery, suppose we are using papers. So it is in our inventory as an asset. So when we are using, so we need to know that how frequently and how many rims we are using in 1 month. In 1 month, or in 3 months, or in 6 months, or in 1 year. So we will know that how much is our burn rate, monthly, quarterly, yearly. So we will know that how much inventory of papers we need to order in future. Suppose a company has in his inventory in COVID situation face masks 100 box and hand sanitizer bottles 50 at the starting of June 2020, and at the end of December 2020, after 6 months, remaining face masks are 10 box and hand sanitizer are 14 bottles remaining. So then what will be the burn rate of face masks and hand sanitizer? How we can calculate it? Let's move. There are two methods to calculate inventory burn rate. One is current burn rate. Current burn rate is equal to inventory opening balance minus inventory ending balance. In the face mask scenario, we had in our inventory 100 box at the beginning of June, and at the end of December we left with the 10 box. So our burn rate is 90 boxes in 6 months. So 90 divided by 100 is equal to 90% will be our burn rate. Hand sanitizer scenario, burn rate will be, our current burn rate will be 50 bottles minus 14. This is the opening inventory in June, and this is the ending inventory in December 2020. So the balance we use is 36 bottles we have already burned. So 36 divided by total 50 bottles, so 72% burn rate in 6 months. This is the first scenario and the first method to calculate inventory burn rate. There is a second, we need to calculate monthly burn rate. So monthly burn rate is equal to inventory balance beginning of the period and inventory balance end of the period, divided by number of months in a period. Suppose face masks burn rate 100 box opening balance minus 10 is equal to 90 boxes we have burned already. So 90 divided by 6 from June to December, these are 6 months of consumption. So is equal to 15 boxes per month we are using. So 15 divided by 100, 15% will be our burn rate of face masks as monthly burn rate. In the scenario of here hand sanitizers, 50 bottles opening inventory minus 14 left at the end of December, so is equal to 36 we have burned. So bottles 36 divided by 6 months is equal to 6 bottles per month. We are using 6 bottles per month. This is our burn rate, monthly burn rate. So 6 divided by 50 is equal to 12% burn rate will be monthly burn rate of an inventory. So this is the concept of inventory burn rate, guys. Please subscribe my channel so I will be keep motivated to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.